Okay, first we are going to talk about the ingredients. We'll need 280 grams of milk cream, 180 grams of sugar, 1 glass of water, 350 grams of cheese cream, 2 sachets of unflavored gelatin. Also, we'll need a spoon of vanilla essence. And finally, we are going to need 2 or 3 packages of Oreo cookies. The utensils that we are going to use are a square baking pan, a pastry paddle, a spoon, a bowl, a mixer, a rolling pin, and a little bowl. For the preparation, first, chop the cookies with your hands and then empty the piece in a bowl. When we've done, put the bowl outside. Next, beat the cream cheese for a few seconds until you get a smooth base. Then we are going to add sugar in the mixture progressively while the mixture becomes homogeneous. When the mixtures are homogeneous, we can add the milk cream. In a small bowl, mix the gelatin with the water until it is hard. Then, leave it aside for 3 minutes. When it is hard, put it in the microwave for 10 seconds until it has a consistency like honey. Add a little of the mixture to the gelatin so that it reaches the same temperature, and then pour it with the other mixture. Then put the Oreo cookies in the mixture and mix. Finally, put the mixture in the square baking pan. and after refrigerating for 3 to 5 hours or in the freezer for 1 hour and a half. And that's all. I hope you loved my favorite recipe. Thanks.